become future stars. Chapter 7. Programming Languages. Computers have their own language called machine code. This language tells the computer what to do. As you can see, it doesn't make a lot of sense to humans. Each number or letter is telling the computer to change something in its memory. This could be a number or word, or a little part of a picture or video. By themselves, computers don't know how to do anything. It is the job of the programmer to give them instructions. What is coding? Coding is the process of using a programming language to get a computer to behave how you want it to. You may also hear coding referred to as software programming or computer programming. These instructions are communicated using a language that computers can understand, like Visual Blocks, JavaScript, Python, HTML, and CSS. Unlike people, computers will do exactly what you tell them to. This might sound great, but it can cause problems. If you tell a computer to start counting upwards and don't tell it to stop, it'll keep counting forever. Being a good programmer is all about knowing how to tell a computer to act. Almost all of the technology we use today has been created with computer programming. Our apps, computer programs, video games, and even the technologies in our cars rely upon coding. In FOSOL, in the United States, there are about 350 spoken languages. But coding has beat US with over 700 coding languages in use today. Benefits of learning coding. The benefits of learning to code are numerous. Some of them include the following. Computer programming helps students build logical thinking. Coding enhances creativity. Computer programming teaches persistence. Coding encourages problem-solving skill. Coding enhances communication. Coding teaches math skills. What is programming? Programming is the process of developing a software program that can execute instructions to help a computer solve a problem. It is the programmer's job to analyze a problem and provide a solution by writing step-by-step instructions in the form of code. Programming versus coding. Programming. Coding. 1. Programming means developing a complete set of instructions to solve a problem. 1. Coding is just writing part of the instructions in a specific programming language. 2. All steps related to software developments, such as research, design, testing, and debugging, come under programming. 2. Coding is related to writing the correct lines of code for the given task. 3. A programmer should be good at problem solving, algorithms, project management, and logical thinking. 3. A coder should be able to understand and use basic programming commands and syntax. 4. It includes planning and designing the entire application or software. 4. Coding includes converting the plan into a working program. 5. A programmer creates the complete solution. 5. A coder writes the required code to get the final output. Programming and coding both are important for providing efficient and potential software for the end user. Neither should be given more priority than the other. Both terms are interlinked with each other. In FOSOL, a programmer creates complex programs, read and executed by the machine, providing a complete set of instructions for computers to perform. It takes years to become a professional programmer. If you can build a program and ensure that it doesn't have errors, you can consider yourself that you have leveled up in your career as a successful programmer. Types of programming languages. A programming language is a specific, coded language used to convey instructions to a computer. Here are some basic types of programming languages. Scratch. Scratch is a free programming language and online community where you can create your own interactive stories, games, and animations. Python. Python is a programming language that sounds and reads like spoken English. Python code is structured in a clear and readable way, which sometimes makes it seem like comments are not needed. However, adding comments is still important to explain complex parts of the code. Ruby. Ruby is a powerful programming language used to build large websites like Twitter. It is a useful tool that powers many major web applications. Java. Java is one of the most popular programming languages in use. Java has been around for almost 2 decades. There are many online tools, toolkits, and courses that can be used to build almost anything from scratch. C++. C++ is a general-purpose programming language. It can be used to create small programs or large applications. C++ is one of the most widely used programming languages in game development. It has been used to create games such as World of Warcraft, Counter-Strike, and StarCraft. In FOSOL, computers operate using something called binary code. All the software that runs on computers is written using only zeros and ones. There are endless combinations of these two digits. That's why new software can be written all the time. Reboot. Computers have their own language called machine code which tells them what to do. Coding is the process of using a programming language to make a computer do what you want. Learning computer programming helps students build logical thinking. Programming is about developing full-fledged software. Programming and coding both are important for providing efficient and potential software for the end user. A programming language is a specific, coded language used to convey instructions to a machine. Words roster. Persistence, prolonged existence of something. Executable, able to be run by a computer. Debugging, the process of identifying and removing errors from computer hardware or software. Prerequisites, to need or require. Like, share, and subscribe.